How was this created? Import the image. Let's cut out her beautiful face. I will use pen tool to make half of her face disappear. Sorry girl. Let's create the inside of her head. Because that's exactly how the inside part of the head looks. No brains, just a smooth gradient. Now let's import the second image, which is the hands holding the flowers that they stole from my garden. Once again, let's just delete the background and blah 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 blah. Add a beautiful background gradient. Let's color the eyes white. Add some blurriness and outer glow to make them shine bright like a diamond. Next step was to add all the other hands with flowers to make it beautiful. And finally add an HSP adjustment and voila! Right now you can get the whole course for just 99 cents on my website learnfromfred.com. Hurry up, the price will increase after the first 24 hours. Love you. Bye bye.